two ways that I see video recording being helpful in my classroom. The first would be an example of reflection. So rather than doing writing reflection, it's also just as beneficial to do video reflection. It's a way for my students to think out loud and give them a free space in which to submit their ideas, and they can go back and look at it later, the same as they could if it was on paper. That's also really important for feedback purposes, so that they can review their progress, where they were weeks before versus where they are now. A second way that video recording is helpful is clearly I teach Spanish, so if I'm assessing something, great, like a speaking skill, a video recording is a better way to still assess that skill than having them in front of the classroom. There's a difference between performance and proficiency. It's like a linguistic theory that states basically your competence in here is not going to be as good as your actual performance in language because of many factors. So one of the factors could be like something like stage fright. If I have someone who doesn't like doing presentations or whatever, I can have them record themselves speaking the language using video recording and then submit it to me personally so that no one else sees it but myself and that student, and that could also hopefully potentially solve that problem.